Welcome to our step-by-step troubleshooting guide on fixing the Windows Update error 0xc1900204 on Windows 11. This guide will walk you through effective solutions to resolve this issue. If you're encountering the error code 0xc1900204 while updating Windows 11, it signifies a problem with the update process. We'll explore simple to advanced solutions to help you overcome this error. Our first step involves running a series of commands to stop, reset, and restart Windows Update components. This can often clear up underlying issues causing the update to fail. Copy and paste the provided commands into the command prompt, execute them, and restart your computer. This process helps in resetting services and folders crucial for updates. Next, we'll verify registry settings for 32-bit systems. Navigate to the registry editor, locate the necessary value, and ensure the path is set correctly to facilitate updates. Sometimes, simply pausing and restarting the update process can resolve temporary glitches. Follow the steps to pause updates, and then resume them to check if the issue is resolved. Ensure all services related to Windows Update are configured correctly and running. Restarting these services can often fix update errors and improve system performance. Perform advanced system scans using SFC and DISM commands to repair corrupted system files. These scans are crucial for maintaining system integrity and ensuring successful updates. Windows 11 offers a built-in tool to fix update problems by reinstalling the current version. This method preserves your apps, files, and settings while resolving update issues. If all else fails, performing an in-place upgrade is the most reliable solution. This process reinstalls Windows while preserving your files and apps, ensuring a fresh start. Use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant for an in-place upgrade. Download the assistant, run the executable, and follow the prompts to update your system seamlessly. The Media Creation tool allows you to create an ISO file for Windows 11. Follow the steps to download, run, and save the ISO file, preparing for a clean installation. Access the ISO file, start the installation, confirm settings, and begin the upgrade process. This method ensures your personal files and apps are preserved during the update. By following these steps, you can successfully resolve the Windows Update error 0xc1900204 and optimize system performance. Restart your computer after the in-place upgrade to ensure the error is resolved.